So let's get rid of deposits. Now for the withdrawals, it's a bit more tricky. So we do def with the raw. Remember, we need to pass through self, and then again we need to know the amount that is being withdrawn. So we need that as well. Now we go and assign our values. So self dot amount equals amount. I spelled it right? Yeah. And now we do self dot. Okay, now we need, before we move further on, we actually need to do a validation check. So we need to do if the self dot amount is greater than self dot balance, then we print insufficient funds, and then we're going to print the balance available. So balance available pound sign comma self dot balance. Right, so what this does is it checks whether the amount that you're trying to withdraw is greater than the balance that you have. Right, so and if it is, it's going to say insufficient funds, balance available, whatever balance is available. Else, oh, I've done a syntax error here. I'm just trying to get used to Python again because I was coding in JavaScript. So get rid of these brackets here. Otherwise you'll get a syntax error. My bad. And then print. Before printing, we need to update the balance. So we do self.balance equals self.balance take away self.amount. What this will do is update the balance and then take away. It will update the balance after taking away whatever amount you want to withdraw. Then we can print account balance has been updated. Oops. Pound sign comma self dot balance. Cool. That's that sorted. And now let's run this to see if it works actually. So Johan full screen equals bank. Oops. Johan 20 mil. Okay, I forgot the comma, come on. Bank, comma 20, comma. I had a feeling something was wrong, but oh well. Dot deposit. Let's go with £10. Oops, 10. Right, so account balance has been updated to 10. Now, let's say I wanted to withdraw and buy a sandwich or something. So, well, let's withdraw £5 just for a meal deal. Okay, account balance has been updated to 5 because remember we started off 0, then we deposit 10, which is 10 right here, then we withdraw 5, which is 5 right here, and now we're going to go ahead and try to, I don't know, buy a monitor or something from Amazon, which will cost me around, I don't know, £300 because I'm going to go for like a good one. Press enter and see what it says. Insufficient funds. And my balance available is only 5, so it's correct. Now if I try to withdraw the right amount, which is 5, my balance has been updated to 0, and I will obviously not be able to make any more withdrawals. So that was it for the withdrawals bit.